Have you ever seen something so unbelievable that you had to rewind again and again, just to make sure your eyes weren't deceiving you? Moments so surreal, so fleeting, yet so powerful that they stay carved in your memory forever. Today, we're bringing you a collection of breathtaking events, split-second miracles and terrifying displays of nature's raw strength. Get ready, because what you're about to see is both extraordinary and unforgettable. It begins in the icy wilderness of Alaska, where a group of hikers witnessed a giant iceberg cracking apart. The sound echoed like thunder across the frozen bay as massive walls of ice collapsed into the water. A scene both majestic and alarming, reminding everyone just how fragile yet fierce nature can be. The hikers stood frozen in awe, their voices trembling as they whispered, "Did you see that?" Moments later, the shock waves rippled through the water, shaking their very ground. Elsewhere, at Point Dumais, a sudden and unusual rockfall sent massive boulders crashing down into a nearby parking lot. Dust filled the air, the earth rumbled, and yet by sheer luck, no one was injured. Witnesses couldn't believe how close disaster had struck.
Nature is merciless when she is angry.
In another spine-chilling moment, a man thought he saw a wall covered in strange fibers, almost like hair. But when he reached out to touch it, the surface moved, thousands of insects swarming in unison, creating the illusion of a living wall. His gasp of horror echoed louder than the buzzing itself.
$3000 банка.
Holy crap! Oh Jesus! Wow! I knew you could park your car there. That's
Those people just.
Olha como.
And then, a flash of lightning, so blinding and so close, made a professional photographer's hand tremble. The camera shook as the sky split open with raw electricity. In that second, nature's fury showed just how small we are in comparison.
Salseo. ¡Ay, ay, 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 ay! ¿Hay gente? No. Es nueva encima. Ada batu.
Yeah, it's gonna fall in the house. Please don't fall in the house or next to it. Oh. Oh.
large school of fish created a living whirlpool just beneath the ocean surface. They swirled in perfect rhythm, a dance of instinct and survival, leaving divers mesmerized. Can you see what they're doing?
Adiyo, bang, bang, bang. Adiyo, bye, bye. Wala di luhur. Di luhur.
The Kyontang River high tide, one of the world's most spectacular natural phenomena, surged forward like a liquid wall. In Zhejiang province, where the river meets the sea, thousands gathered to watch as the mighty tidal bore rushed inland, a wall of water advancing with unstoppable force. Generations have marveled at this display, a reminder that rivers too carry the heart of the ocean.
ওখানটাতে ভেঙে গেল কিছুটা অনেক দেখ জলটা দেখ কুকুরটা দেখ কুকুরটা দৌড় করে
Heavy rains elsewhere caused a stream to rise so quickly that it swept away an unfinished bridge in seconds. Concrete, steel, and human effort were no match for the torrent. Cameras captured the heartbreaking sight as workers stood helpless, watching days of labor vanish downstream. Nature does not wait.
Holy shit! Holy
That was our
shit!
jelly bean rock.
Dude, we just were up there today. We just were up there today.
Dude, we hiked out through that. We went.
The golden sands of Arabia were blanketed in white within minutes, transforming the arid landscape into something resembling a frozen tundra. Thunder roared above, the air grew cold, and travelers couldn't believe their eyes.
And there goes the fence. There went.
In San Diego, strong winds ripped the roof off a house during a violent storm. Sheets of metal and debris flew across the neighborhood like paper in the wind. In the wilderness of Tennant Creek, a rare fire tornado twisted skyward. Flames spun into a blazing vortex, a fiery spiral that looked like something out of another world. Firefighters stopped in their tracks, torn between fear and fascination at this dance of wind and fire.
Fire tornado. Hundreds of feet in the air. Wow.
Storms don't just bring rain, they bring terror. In St. Louis, a violent tornado ripped across the city, flinging debris through the air. Construction workers scrambled for shelter as the sound of roaring wind drowned out their screams. Cameras captured the raw chaos, fear etched into every frame.
If you'll enjoy this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more information.